What all you see at the prep plant?
A big old shaker spring with earthquake on it.
Who took you down in there?
Daddy. And I got to climb up in a loader, a forklift, and a haul truck,
Mm-hmm.
and all that stuff. Where did this sound come from in the camera?
Tell me some more about it.
It's a little skid-steer loader which scoops up the mud, and I got all wet.
Mm-hmm. Well, how'd you get so dirty, though? Well, I want to know.
Because it was dirty at the prep plant.
Did you walk up the ladder or anything?
Well, I went upstairs and I went up the elevator. Looked like lots of ants was in there.
Ants?
Uh-huh.
Hmm.
And the elevator just had a big old ant hole.
Then let me get a good picture of this face here. Put your hands down. Were you not clean when you went out there?
Huh?
Were you not clean when you went out?
Yeah. And I even washed my hands down. I got dirt, my hands all got all dirty again.